Ka Congress kala kenno baka jing Shah weng sendat unong elam jongka u Rahul Gandhi na ka jinglong dekhot ha yeng dorbar thawan Lok Sabha hi ka dai tang namar bola bu jingkli ka jingïadei ha pedang menteri rangba kari India u Narendra Modi bat ka Adani Group of Companies. Haba kren sikilat pathai kubor ka Bobita Sharma ka media coordinator ka All India Congress Committee kala ong baka long ka balingo baka mukodma bala rai ka yeng ka syari surat ka dei ka bala kentaj mensua bat mi pau pat hadien bau Rahul Gandhi ula kren persya ya ka arpo hajar kelur jong ka Adani Group.
You know that Adani Group of companies have been protected by the Modi government for reasons best known to them, despite them having scams after scams. Even after the Hindenburg research issue had come up and there were talks of shell companies and their involvement in that, and also about the 20,000 crores of money that has been found to be involved in that scam. And the parliament, our party has demanded in parliament a joint parliamentary committee, a joint JPC to discuss the matter, but his voice and our party's voice have been obliterated. Rahul Gandhi makes election speech in Kolar, Karnataka. April 16, 2019, BJP MLA Purnesh Modi files complaint in Surat, Gujarat. March 7, 2022, complainant seeks stay from Gujarat High Court on his own complaint. He seeks to stay the complaint and HC grants the stay. Now come to the present year, February 7, 2023. Rahul Gandhi makes a speech questioning the relationship between Adani and PM Modi. He says, rupees 20,000 crore are in shell companies owned by Adani. Adani could not have generated this money on his own. He is in the infrastructure business. Where did the money come from? Because that was Rahulji's question. Whose money is it? Whose shell companies are these? These companies are working in defense field. Does anybody know about it? It's a valid question. Whose money is this? There is also news that there is a Chinese national involved in this. So the nation has to know the truth. Why nobody is asking about this Chinese national? That was the first question that Rahulji asked. Second question that Rahulji asked was, what is the Prime Minister's relationship with Mr. Modi? Shri Rahulji showed the picture of PM Modi and Adani relaxing. He gave documentation about the defense industry, about the airports, about the statements made in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, pictures of Mr. Narendra Modi with the State Bank of India chairman in Australia, who reportedly sanctioned 1 billion loan to Adani. As I had already mentioned, SBI also is involved by giving loan to Mr. Adani. That was the second question with proof. Just 9 days after Rahul Gandhi's speech on Adani, a defamation case against him was revived. 16th February 2023, complaint withdraws his own request of stay in the Gujarat High Court. This MLA, Mr. Purnesh Modi, he again withdraws. He again resumes, trial again resumes in the court on February 27th. March 23rd, 2023, trial court convicts Rahul Gandhi and hands down maximum sentence of 2 years. March 24, 2023, Lok Sabha Secretariat disqualifies Rahul Gandhi within 24 hours. What was the need for this lightning speed for disqualification? Who gave the pressure? It is a discretion of the Speaker of the House. Why didn't they give him that reprieve of 30 days? What was the need? On top of that, he was also asked to leave his residence, which is fine. Rahul Gandhi said that he doesn't need that residence came to him because of the love of the people of the country. He had become an MP, so he got the residence. But see the vindictiveness, the attention, the tactics of diverting attention from Adani to Rahul Gandhi. So they are now trying, the BJP is now trying to color it into some kind of an attack on the OBC community. Why most thieves have the surname of Modi, Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi. Why? That was a valid question. And we see that in that year, a BJP MLA had filed a case against him, a defamation suit, which was at that time not accepted. And within that time, that same person had also taken away that case. But immediately after, 9 days after Rahulji raised that question again on Adani, on the relationship between Mr. Modi and Adani, 9 days after, that old case was again taken up. And in a very lightning speed, it was taken up. I will give you the chronology later on. I just want to give you the gist of the matter as of now. And while it was taken up, the court also gave the order. The court usually gives you 30 days to appeal. But even before the 30 days were completed, not even started, the Lok Sabha took the step of disqualification. And on an issue which does not have to be a criminal defamation. Usually it is not done in a criminal defamation. You don't give the highest punishment for that of 2 years, and then you are disqualified for 8 years to contest elections. But it was done at a lightning speed. That is the main issue that we are trying to address, why it was done so. Because Rahul Gandhi ji had spoken about the truth. This is done to divert attention from the actual issue. What is the actual issue? The Adani issue, the relationship between Adani and Modi issue. The big scam of Adani, the shell companies, 20,000 crores of scam. You must be all aware that the Adani Group of companies have been taking up companies after companies. The Ambuja Cement Company, NDTV. No, there's a long list. Where is the money coming from? He has taken loan from banks. And today, if you see the news, you will see that he had taken loan to buy the Ambuja Cement Company. And now he is requesting that he needs 5 years' time to repay the loan. Remember that Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, they had also taken loans and they had fled the country. They are fraudsters. Rahul Gandhi spoke against these fraudsters. He did not speak against any community. He spoke against people who were thieves, who looted the country, who looted the country's banks, and they left the country. He spoke about them as thieves. So what guarantee is there that Adani will also land up in the same way as Nirav Modi or Lalit Modi? What guarantee is there? That is why the Congress party had demanded a JPC. That is why the Congress party had demanded that there should be discussion on the Adani matter in Parliament. But instead of doing that, they are targeting Rahul Gandhi so that people's attention is on Rahul Gandhi and not on Adani. But Congress party will not let that happen. We will take up the issue because it concerns the people of the country. You must be all aware that SBI and LIC are also involved because of the pressure of the Modi government. SBI and LIC are also involved in the Adani companies. And you must be aware that common man of this country invest a lot in SBI and LIC because they are credible companies. Years and years of credibility has gone into these companies. But supposing tomorrow something happens to SBI and LIC, will it not affect the common man's economic concerns? Will it not affect their money? So these are valid questions which the Rahul Gandhi is asking for the sake of the common people. He is not asking for himself. He is asking for the people of the country. But his voice has been muzzled, has been sought to be muzzled by the central government. But Rahul Gandhi's voice and the Congress party's voice will not be muzzled. We will go forward, we will take it to the people, and the people will be the ultimate judge. So they are trying to again divert attention by attacking Rahul Gandhi time and again, but Rahul Gandhi's voice will not be silenced. That is the message that we want to give to the people of the country. And actually, it is Adani that they are protecting, and we want to question them. Why are we protecting Adani? Why are we protecting somebody whose stakes have become very high regarding the economic condition of the country? Why have you given Adani so many businesses? Airports, ports, in agriculture, now even defense. Why? The nation wants to know. The people of India wants to know, because their money, their hard-earned money are also involved through SBI, through LIC.
Nakaliang ba Ronnie V. Lingdo unong ilam ki MLA Congress haying dorbar thawan ka jalla uloong. Baga jing shaweng no Rahul nakakam MP kadai ka jingma ya ka sensar patba hakari India barok away.
Openai March ana arpulai tarik arjar arpulan kene ka port ka ai kata ka rai ka ba akarai ka ba juportam bujurtam adu arsnem ya uba unsa secil tang hat po arpusau kanta ka Lok Sabha kala pynduh yung jinglong i ka ibang imut pa huni ka India jumi lada pikiran yalap election pikiran parliament ya kino kebiajan badu Prime Minister Modi atau BJP kemud pijak atau ngidang imne makari sincar peba lada hapo parliament ngasyu berkali jengkali atau kadang dia syukuni dari sincar peba bat kane kalau ban set ya kesentur jowo belum tiap kali ke jingïadei umudi perbuatan nomor Rahul Gandhi ubah keren namta kejat menriau jom para kait kinong India menta arpau hajar Kyrwoh ukuli namno kane kapisa kawan namar bau Adani menta ulanang sim bon kini ki business Ambuja Cement menta NDTV ki bon ki business ki port ki airport la ailut hau de menta kali namno yo pisa kane ba shifting menta kalong ba katuk pisa kumbala lap da katuk Hindenburg Research na po America lalap ba kini ki bisa kiwan na kita ki Shell company lani pamdai kita company ki ba shisha ki ba dodon shisha ri ki ba shuthaw tangkat banyo pan penwan ka bisa ban invest lani ban penteri company ki ba ula acquire mau ne ula shim mau jadi tangkat ka jibeli namar ba lada kani ka bisa la shim daka nanti ka pamdai ka bumut mata ki bisa jumpai ba kiba kila invest hapo LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India hapo SBI kamot kila pan ketak ya kayo kakot jom kita dinamta bangina Congress Party ni persajur ya kane kecing penduduk penlong MP Rahul Gandhi nama kikwa pan set ya kasentur jomu bonumla bangi kipat ba kinong India nginum tip ya kecing sisa sepamwadani di kalong ka ai ka bom pajuja apa ke research paiba apa ke democratic country ka kane kerja tangan ke kiri ke ba undan research kadat paiba kala menja ke North Korea kala menja ke China ba kadon tangkau ke parti ke research na trage jitu jongki kalau suki bantuan chata telada pikli jingkali ya ki kambakla jongki kemudian bu ya ki de kini ki agency ke CBI Enforcement Directorate kini income tax ban penjenjar ya ki tu ki beli jingkali ya ki kadi na try ka ba nila pan ong ba kani suki ba penduk no ya kasur like loan bagi pa nila kini kum ka Congress Party ini yang scam buat nongelam jungi Rahul Gandhi ban pet ba kata kasencar kadar pa ba ka jingbit jingbiang jung pa ba kamtam jungi rulong kamtam jungi ripai bangun pet pandang da menta ki omba ana kani ka jingkren umodi kalau mata ukuran ben yang kita ki ripai mo kita ki OBC mereka jingkali menta kalau atau Niraf Modi but Lalit Modi kidai na kita ki OBC kimdai tangban pentame ni paiba ki omba nala keren ben kita ki jet menriu project kamdei nama Lalit Modi ban Nirav Modi kimwan na kata kajai kembali pojai kementa kaba syetting kalong ba ki o minum syak ban ban ya lagi rung minum bam ya kiwe minum syak bam Henry kipet menta Lalit Modi Nirav Modi menta kimdan chopori dia kila shimlon da ka pau lak crore na ki bank ketu dipisah pada menta kila pen kidan sabar kan AAU ya Modi ban kerpat itu kiri siapa England national berkiri banong paro yaki nomor kila dai kita kilom tu Rai tang bapsu keren hapo election part menta pakem ni Adani Group lasai nakala jurkal karam bunga siu sepetno tak coba dak jong Modi sepet banirap je pun nakal yang jongi ke parti kongres ni yang scam ba ninpet ba Rahul Gandhi punya ban Longbyang MP ban kali yang ke sarkar yang ke Meghalaya joki yang ke jingïadei joki yang ke beliau aman menta nama nyatrai nitip ha uong makandang ke transparency dan cia tu yang ke electoral bond kena ban le arti menta ni kuat betul mana ba ai kisah electoral bond bat tu ke electoral bond ke ban yarap ki parti penilai election ke bon ke bayo de BJP mana ba ai balik pimdan transparency itu balik pimdan kata mupai ba man la man kali kini bar khai pai ba ni bantep makane ka sarkar ka kerana kumai ka kam ka kam ka ktien baki keren bat ka kam
Uba Charles Marngar MLA ke parti na mau hati uloong ba ke parti kan yai persa ya kan ka jinglet donbor ke BJP ban khnyat ben ya ki bakran persa ya ka
ba ke sarkar BJP kalen kamtam ya ke jing ya ke conviction no kejeng rai penrem ya Rahul Gandhi ulida ujungi bat kum juro haga bedi ban ka disqualification kejeng Shah pynduh lo kejong ban long MP ante polok sana ipi la dangi kren ni ka jing Shah ni kum kinong yalam ki badan hapo kari India tu kapan ni ba kene kejeng le jong sarkar BJP kemun melong syu ban kren ni kejeng Shah melong syu ban kren ni kejeng Shah i ke ek mamot ban ong kendiat ke kuat berkeran dan ini kejenglet jong ke BJP kalau ada Shah kejenglet don mga mentabo memele lada don kano ke bangga haban kan pesat ya ke failure jong ke government kemudian gamla asyuk ban penpau yang kata ai ke demokrasi ke peniba ke demokrasi hari India jong ke kolaps kalau kolaps dan nak kata kada hukum kinong yalam belengi yang berpersyak ini nama ni bahasa kalau wei jong kari India tu Rahul Gandhi Ukraine yang kecil Shah Ukraine yang ya ka anjong kinong rat Ukraine nak kamu taki betul Ukraine nak taki kecil but Ukraine yang ni kepisah yang kan ke 8 crore kepisah 8,000 crore kepisah ikan ni kapan isai ba ka BJP government kampwa ban kylli igi kambam sa ke corruption jong ke sarkar BJP iya adu bakim ailat ya Rahul Gandhi bongkran hapo ka Lok Sabha iklam ailat yo bongkran Lok Sabha ngi iya ke jingkran ke jong presiden jongi jong ke AICC jongi Khargeji bat kaju ko por Rahul Gandhi ya ke jingkran ke jong ke expunge bat akawai bentar de ke ba nakalian ke jong Rahul Gandhi Ukraine Dalam ayat di uban keren hadu license 3 times it allowed to speak in parliament. Hadu license iklam ayat di uban keren apa parliament. Ikini ki AKA na kalian jongi state Congress Meghalaya Congress committee ki jongi. Ipersyak ikini ki AKA na man UI ba kadon ke jingma wad ka state ke jongi bat kiwe ki state ki badan po kari India ke jongi. Kata gede pengsu penrap kenyan haga bade begani nomor ba kumunong yalam na UI. Balada mangi kinong yalam nimkran ya ke jing Shah ya ke ba kata karunin government kala ya nongin kran dalam island ini kita kata kalau ngadon kerja mungkin bat lagi state apa kari India dia lor kani ke BJP kal shifting bat sakawai ngakwa manong pipa bakwa bukan kemau bagi Indira Gandhi kalau Shah disqualify bat hadir kata ke election kalau prime minister bat kaniru kanja nak kebentar Rahul Gandhi meleleh yang fight yang dok ukut kumbau Rahul Gandhi ong nakalian jongi rumin yang dok ukut bangi kerman bangin long kinong job aku di sini tak tanah yang jongi